Hello everyone. Hello everyone. So today I'm here to teach you how you can create website uh, with the uh, Python. How you can create website with Python and using Python and Flask. So the first thing you want to do if you want to create website by Flask, the first thing you do is just you need to have two things. First of all, what do you need first to begin with? You want to install Visual Studio Code first of all, right? As you can find links on description, right? And the second thing is you need to download Python, right? Those are two things you want to do. You need to do them first of all, right? So as I said, you need to have a you need to download a Visual Studio Code, right? In after that, after you download Visual Studio Code, right? In Python. So here right now you are ready, right? You are quite ready. So after you have done on that, just click on just type on Windows plus R, right? In write CMD, then click OK, right? So right now here we want to set up Python, right? We want to create a folder Python, right? As I have here, right? I have here already. Uh, I have already created a folder Python here, right? So let me try. So if you want to create folder of Python or set up Python, the first thing you do is you need to write C cd dash dash, then cd dash dash, right? Cd dash dash. So right now here we're ready to create Python, right? And then click then ycd space Python here. Now we done here to create Python. So right now here, what else do you need? If you want to this screen, just click just write CLS and type enter. Yes, right now here you are ready. So the second thing is we need to install Python. We need to install pip Python. So write C S U D O space apt dash get install Python, right? I already done to install and set up Python already, but I want to but I want to show you how you can do that, by yourself, right? uh, uh, cd python 3 dash pip and set and enter, right? I have already downloaded all these things, right? So the second thing is we need to check we need to check uh, which version we install there, right? uh, Me, I use a version 3.7. For you, at the point of time you begin to learn Python, right? Maybe may, may, maybe you're going to use Python. The current version right now is the Python 3.8 or 3.12. I don't know, but let's try to check which version we use. Python we installed already. Python dash dash version, good version, and enter. Yes, right, as I said, right, the current version is 3.11, right? For you maybe 3.12. Okay, so as I said beginning, we need to clear cl c, c cls, enter. So right now, guy, here is a time to create uh it's time to create flask, right? It's a time to create folder 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 of flask, right? Yeah, you can go there, right? As I said, we already have here, we already uh, create folder of Python. Here it is, right? So right now here is a time to create another folder inside inside of this Python, right? Inside of this inside this folder, we want to create another folder for Flask, right? Maybe for you, you can click on write in new and then create folder Flask or Python, all right? Uh, Flask, you will create a Flask, right? Flask, Flask app, right? Maybe you can create, but I want to show you, yeah, I can do that on this way, right? But I want to show you, but I want to show you, uh, uh, but I want to show you the best way, right? I want to show you the best way and a quick way you can do that, right? Next time. So let's back here. Let's back to our CMD here, right? And focus here, right? What I'm creating here, right? Focus here. Uh, keep focusing here, right? Inside of this Python folder here, right? Select want to write cd mk direct make direct, see, make direct flask apps, yes, flask apps, right, and enter. Here it is, guy, right? We did. So right now here we have done here. So what we need to do also, right? Well, we want to also add here flask also, right? We want to add flask cd space, right, flask flask flask, yes, flask apps, and enter. Here it is. So right now here we want to open this folder, right, inside of Visual Studio Code, right? We have we have installed before. So you can click here, you can click on your mouse, uh, select right, and then open with code, right? Good. Okay. Sorry, guy, something goes wrong here. Let's keep here. So, guy, see you on next video.